Elitek Vehicle Services is hiring for exciting career opportunities for passionate technicians that want to see what is next in their automotive career. An Elitek Services technician performs full bumper-to-bumper mechanical and electrical diagnostics and repairs, including ADAS calibrations and programming. As a mobile technician, your workday begins at your home. Your first service appointment for the day is generally at 8 a.m., so you must check your assigned schedule early enough in the day to make adjustments to when you leave for your first appointment. A schedule is provided to you via an app on your company phone. You should check the schedule working with the Elitek dispatch team to make any necessary adjustments for the day. Before departing each morning, you will verify the condition of your company-provided vehicle to ensure it is in working order. You will also call the customer prior to leaving your home. It is important to touch base with all customers so they know you are on your way and they are ready for your arrival. Elitek service technicians are expected to drive the company vehicle in a safe and courteous manner, obeying all traffic laws and avoiding any traffic violations and accidents. Upon arriving at a service appointment, you will greet the shop service manager to get more information about the vehicle you will be working on. Developing and maintaining customer relationships is an essential part of the job. You are the face of the company, and it's important to always maintain a positive and helpful attitude. It is essential that each job is done safely using safety equipment to protect against bodily injury or damage to a customer vehicle. Safety is a top priority at Elitek Vehicle Services. Be aware of working conditions which can change from job to job each day. Examples of conditions include hot or cold temperatures, dusty or dirty environments, and chemical spills like oil, gas, or transmission fluid. An exciting part of the Elitek Services technician is that service appointments will vary day to day in location and with the type of work to be done. You could be working on any make and model of vehicle performing diagnostic procedures, programming, mechanical repairs, or ADAS calibrations. When a service appointment is complete, the Elitek Services technician will create an invoice and provide it to the customer via the email address on file. The customer will call or mail in a payment at a later date. When the last service appointment is completed for that day, you will drive your company-provided vehicle home. If you're looking for the next step in your technician career, Elitek Vehicle Services, an LKQ company, is the leading vehicle diagnostics, calibration, electronics, and mechanical sublet service provider in the industry. Contact us today to learn what is next in earnings potential, independence, and growth. Visit us at lkqcorp.com/careers or find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.